Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to our trading sessions. Guys, today I'm going to show you and to give you some important information about how you can trade with parabolic SAR indicator. This indicator can be very helpful tool in terms of confirming entry points. Guys, if you want to know how to use this indicator, if you want to know about this indicator more, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Guys, don't forget to support this video, put a big thumbs up to this video and also subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like that. And all the essential information about indicator and what are we going to do today, I will tell you right now. I will trade today, guys, using strategy based on technical analysis. To help my technical analysis, I'm going to use parabolic SAR indicator. And as you can see now, I already connected this indicator and it looks like blue dots on the chart. Let's look for working situations today. Also, guys, I'm going to start trading with $35 on my deposit and I'll try to increase this amount up to $7,000. Will I be able to do it or not? We only will get to know in the end of the video, so watch this video till the end. And guys, let's get started because I already see a good entry point. I will try to explain it to you right now. As you can see, we have a good confident downtrend here. The price pulled back up, touching the resistance level. But then it also continued to move downwards. At the moment, we are seeing some kind of attenuation. At the same time, the dotted line of the parabolic is also located above the graph. So in such situation, we will open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. Since this location of the indicator just indicates the continuation of the downtrend. All the same time, the main price highs are also getting lower. There have also been a lot of red longer candles on the chart lately. And all this tells us that the price has a good potential to go down. And it's more likely that the price will continue to move downwards on a downtrend. We will take 2 minutes with the margin, take into account the pro trade or rollback of the price up. And so, guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, that's great, guys. This is our first deal today. And as you can see, the price got into the trading situation. But in the last seconds of the deal, an impulse red candle appeared. This is how we got profit on this deal. As you can see, 2 minutes was totally fine for us. And so, guys, let's continue. As you can see here, the price continues to move on a downtrend. We also had a small pro trade in the sideways. Next, the lower border of the sideways is broken through and the price moves down. At the same time, a new indicator point appears above the chart. This just indicates that the upcoming price reduction. Therefore, we are opening a deal down here since, as you can see, there is still a lot of space left from our entry point to the last price minimum. And also the main price highs are going down. At the same time, earlier we had a breakdown of the lower border of the sideways. All this helps us to understand that the price has a good potential to go down. So it is more likely that the price will move down in the near future. Here we also took 2 minutes with the margin, taking into account possible pro trade or pull back up. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, guys, I think it's amazing. As you can see, the price continued to move down. We have earned money here. The indicator in this situation gave us an excellent entry point. Also, the time of the transaction was chosen perfectly. So everything is going great. Let's continue, guys. Here we have a good confident uptrend. I also noted the trend line for the main price lows. As you can see, quite often the price bounces up from this line, and just at this moment the chart is touching the trend line again. In such situation, I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes up, since I also see that the dotted line of the parabolic is located under the chart. This suggests that the price is more likely to continue moving up on an uptrend. At the same time, there is still a lot of space left before the last price maximum. And we also see quite a lot of green long candles on the chart, guys. All this indicates that the price has a good potential for growth. Therefore, I think that now the price will bounce up from the trend line. Here we also took 2 minutes with the margin. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price shows a slight upward movement. Our deal closed in a profit above entry point. 2 minutes here was just enough for us, and also indicator gave us a really good entry point. So guys, let's continue next. So here the price goes below the trend line, while the points of the parabolic are located above the chart. So in such a situation, we'll open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. Because as you can see, the main price highs on the chart are getting lower. Also, there is still enough space left until the last minimum. This means that the price has a good potential for going down. While the dotted line above the chart also indicates an upcoming price decrease, also the fact that the price is already moving along the trend line makes it clear that there may be a price reversal here, and the price will move down on a downtrend. I think in the near future we'll see a full breakout of the trend line and the price will continue to move down. Guys, right now an impulse red candle has already appeared on the chart, so let's wait for the end of our deal. Great, guys, as you can see, the price continued to move down. Here we got confident profit. Just as you can see, as the downtrend increases, the points of the parabolic move away from each other. Guys, let's continue find another situation. Here the price is moving on a downtrend. There is a very strong upward pullback on the chart and then the price goes down again. Here I will open a deal for 2 minutes down. Since the points of the parabolic are located above the graph and very far from it, this is how we understand that the price has an excellent potential for going down. At the same time, there is also a lot of space left until the last price minimum where the price can go down. And the main price highs on the chart are noticeably decreasing. Also, as you can see, the price made a good pullback last time and then it showed a strong drop. So now such a scenario can happen again. We also took 2 minutes with the margin taking into account pro trade or rollback of the price up. So guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price continues to move down. At the same time, another upward pullback occurred on the chart. This is where we make profit. As you can see, the indicator gave us a really good entry point. Also, the time of the transaction was chosen correctly. Let's see what happens next. Here the price shows an increase. At the same time, many points of the parabolic are already located under the graph. This indicates an upcoming price increase, so we will open a deal here for 2 minutes up. Also, there is still space on the chart until the last maximum, and above is the resistance level. At the same time, the new price minimum turned out to be higher than the previous one. There have also been more long and green candlesticks on the chart lately. All this tells us the price has a good potential to go up. We are more likely to see a price increase in the near future. So that's why 2 minutes with the margin will be totally fine. So guys, let's watch the graph and let's see what kind of result we will get. Okay guys, I think it's great, and as you can see, the price moves mainly with green impulsive candles and touch the resistance level. Here we get a steady profit, guys. The indicator helped us find an excellent entry point. Meanwhile, we already have the first $1,000 on my deposit. This is a good profit from the initial amount, so guys, I suggest we continue. Here we have some kind of pro trade under the resistance level. At the moment we are seeing some kind of attenuation on the chart. At the same time, new indicator points appear under the chart. That is, in the near future the price is more likely to move up. In such situation, we will open a deal for 2 minutes up. Because as you can see, the main price lows on the chart are getting higher. There's also a large space left before the resistance level from our entry point. All this indicates a good price potential for growth. Also, as you can see earlier, the price has already shown a good increase to the market level several times. So we can see such a movement this time too. Here we also took 2 minutes in case of pro trade or pull back down. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Okay guys, great. As you can see, the price continued to move up, and here we get confident profit. 2 minutes was just enough in such situation, guys. Also, the indicator gave us an excellent entry point, and it helped us to earn. So guys, let's continue. Here the price moving on an uptrend. And now there is a pretty strong downward pullback on the chart. Also, as you can see from the last price low, the price goes up with an impulse. And the dotted line of the parabolics is located under the graph. So in such situation, I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes up. Since there's still a large space left before the resistance level, also the main price lows are getting higher. All this makes it clear to us that the price is an excellent potential for growth, and it is more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move up on an uptrend. Also 2 minutes with a margin, and guys, let's wait for the result. So excellent guys, as you can see, the impulse price growth has continued. At the same time, the chart breaks through the resistance level and we made a good profit. The indicator also helped us to earn money here, and let's see what the market situation is next. As you can see, the price continues to move up, mostly impulsed green candles. In this case, the indicator points are located below the chart. In such situation, I immediately open a deal for 2 minutes up, since I think that the impulsive price growth has not ended yet and the price will continue to move up. We also had the breakout of the resistance level earlier, and at the same time, the indicator points are increasingly moving away from each other. Also, the main price highs are rising, and all this makes us understand that the price has a good potential for growth. Here we also took 2 minutes with the margin, taking into account the possible pro trade or pullback of the price down. So guys, let's wait for the result. It's not bad at all, guys. The price just got into a pro trading situation, and here in 2 minutes we didn't see much growth, but our deal nevertheless closed above the entry point, and of course we made a profit on this deal. I already have $7,500 on my deposit. My trading goal for today has been fulfilled. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and you was able to learn something new. Try to find this indicator in the list. Once you'll find parabolic SAR, turn it on. Try to find similar situations on which, for example, we traded today, and try yourself to trade. Don't forget that only your own experience matters. I did my best to explain you and to show you how you can use this indicator and how this indicator can help you out. So now it's your turn to try and to test it for yourself. The more you trade, the better your experience will be. I want to remind you that I have a closed group where I share my trading signals. How to get to this closed group super easy? Text me code word signal in my Telegram. The link will be down below. Guys, I wish you to have a successful trading session and the profit you want to get. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.